Hi everyone, I'm going to make a central this weekend. I've had my haircut specially, I've had my nails done specially, and I'm very overexcited. I'll be there Saturday and Sunday. I'm staying in the Hilton, which is actually just like a 5-minute walk from the front door of the NEC. So if anybody wants to meet up for a pint on the evening, it'll be lovely to see you. I'll find the bar, it'll be the first thing I'll find probably. So if you want to meet up, the easiest way to find me will be if I say what time I'm going to be and where. And I'll be by the entrance and the Batmobile, yes you heard me right, at 11 AM and 1 PM on both days. That's Saturday and Sunday, 11 AM and 1 PM by the Batmobile. Should be easy to find. I'll be wearing my YouTube hat, so if you see somebody in a ridiculous hat, feel free to grab me because it's probably me. Hopefully see you over the weekend. Anyone who can't make it this year, it's worth saving up for. Honestly, it's the event of the year. Look forward to seeing you all there. Bye.